Hi guys, welcome to UKiguide. In this lesson, we'll be learning latest internet sensation Pachtaoge from Arijit Singh. So if you're excited, please give this video a big thumbs up so that I get to know that you are enjoying my lessons. Now once you're done with that, take out your uke, tune it in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. So guys, इस सॉन्ग को प्ले करने के लिए आपको चाहिए 4 कॉर्ड्स और वो कॉर्ड्स हैं कॉर्ड E माइनर, कॉर्ड C, कॉर्ड D and chord B. So to play chord E minor, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, your middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and your ring finger on 4th fret 3rd string, and chord E minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string like this, and chord C should sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. To play chord B, you need to bar 2nd fret with your index finger like this, and then you need to place your middle finger on 3rd fret 3rd string and your ring finger should be on 4th fret 4th string, and chord B should sound like this. So now let's talk about strumming pattern, and in this song we'll be using a very easy strumming pattern. However, it requires little bit of practice. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So guys, you guessed it right. This is the major pattern what we will be following throughout this song, and you just need to practice it hard so that you won't find it difficult to play in different sections in this song. Okay, so let's start playing this pattern on chord E minor. So hold the position of chord E minor like this and start playing this pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, so you can see that the last stroke is coming with more power. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So guys, we'll be learning today's song in original scale, and singing this song in original scale would not be possible for me, and that's why I'm using a background track. So let me just grab my phone and search this song on YouTube. So I'm just searching this song on YouTube. Yeah, so I will be using this song as a background track, and then we're gonna play all the chords, every detail along with the original track, and I'm sure that will give you a good learning experience. So let's start playing the song.